first graders. Okay, welcome back. Let's get our math hats on. Okay, we are going to start off today with another review, a little warm-up. So let's get ready. What's the amount? Look at the coins. This time the coins are scattered. They're not in order according to their value. If you were thinking 33 cents, kiss your brain. Woo! Because there's 3 dimes and 3 pennies. What's the amount? Make sure you're looking closely. All right, let's check it. 25 cents. So there are 4 nickels. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 5 pennies. Let's keep going. What's the amount? $1 or 100 cents. Okay, last one. What's the amount? 38 cents. Kiss your brains. Okay, so yesterday or Tuesday, we worked with adding with regrouping when we had to make a new 10. Well, today we are going to be working on subtracting with regrouping, okay? So this time you have to take that 10 stick and break it apart, okay? So addition, we are adding those ones to make a new 10 stick, but with subtracting with regrouping, we have to take a 10 stick and break it back up into ones. So let's learn from Brain Pop. Let's see.
Oh no, I lose 5 points. How many points do I have? I have 14 points, but I lose 5. Subtract the numbers in the ones place first. Wait.
There we go.
How do you subtract 4 minus 5? You can't subtract a larger number from a smaller number. How do you regroup with subtraction? When you regroup, you gather 10 ones cubes and trade them for a tens rod. You can also take a tens rod and trade it for 10 ones cubes.
Yep, that's what we're going to do.
You can borrow a 10 from the tens place and turn it into 10 ones. Now we have 14 ones and we can subtract 5 ones. And we're left with 9 ones. So 14 minus 5 is equal to 9.
Notice how they took that 10 rod from the tens place and they broke it up into 10 ones. So then that way the ones place, there were enough ones to subtract the 5. But they had to break that 10 stick up first.
The soccer team has 45 raffle tickets to sell. They've sold 8 so far. How many do they have left to sell? Subtract 45 minus 8 to find the answer. Subtract the ones place first. It's not possible to take 8 away from 5.
See, if you look, you can't take away 8 from 5 because then you'll be dealing with negative numbers. We're not dealing with those. We're going to stay on the positive side of the number line, okay? So we have to go over here to this tens place and take a 10 stick and break it up into 10 ones.
So we have to regroup. We can borrow one 10 and turn it into 10 ones. Now we have 15 ones and we can subtract 8 ones. That's equal to 7. Now subtract the numbers in the tens place. We had 4 tens, but we regrouped one 10. So there are 3 tens. 45 minus 8 is equal to 37.
Okay, so now that we got a chance to watch Brain Pop and figure out how to do this, now you're going to watch me work through a couple of problems, okay? So let's get back to that. Okay. So here is our strategies charts. So we use these different strategies to help us. Today, we're going to be working with drawing a picture, so using a model and the math problem. I might even check my work with my hundreds chart, okay? So let's get ready to see how we solve subtraction problems with regrouping. Okay, here we go. Got my hundreds chart, and here's my paper. I have 25 minus 9. I'm gonna go ahead and draw my line here. I'm gonna label this tens, ones, right there. But I'm gonna do my model. So I'm gonna do 25 because when you are subtracting, you only have to draw the larger number. And so 25 would look like this: 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. There we go. All right, so if we start in the ones place, if I only have 5 ones here right now, I cannot subtract 9. I don't have enough. So I'm gonna go over here to my tens place. I'm gonna take a 10 stick and I'm gonna break it up into 10 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have 15 ones because I have my 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here's the 10 that I got from breaking up that 10 stick. So now we have enough to subtract 9 ones. So I'm going to subtract 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is what we are left with. And I like to circle what I'm left with here. So I'm left with a 10, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16, let me check on my hundreds chart. Start at 25, and since we're doing less, we're subtracting, and I need to subtract 9. Now, 10 less would be up 1, but that's 1 too many. So I'm gonna go over 1 more to the right, and we got 16. Okay, so 25 minus 9 equals 16. So now I'm going to write that in my number sentence. Remember, when you are writing your number sentence, the larger number always goes first. Okay, so now let's do the algorithm, the math problem. Remember, if the model is easier for you, then just stick with the model, okay? I'm going to show the algorithm. So 5 ones minus 9 ones, can't take away 9 ones. So I'm gonna go over here to the tens place. I'm gonna cross off a 2. I took a 10 stick and I'm gonna break it up into 10 ones. So instead of just having 5, I have 10 plus 5, which is 15. 15 minus 9 gives me 6. Here's that 110 left over, minus 0 equals 1. So 16. All right, let's try the next problem. 42 minus 23. Just like I did on the other one. Tens, ones. So now I'm going to draw my model, my 42. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. Minus 23. I only have 2 ones in the ones place, but I need to subtract 3. I don't have enough. So I'm going to go over here to the tens place. I'm going to take this 10 tower and I'm going to break it up into 10 ones. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have enough ones. I now have 10 plus 2. I have 12 ones. Now I have more than enough. I can take away 3. So I'm going to subtract 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. And then I need to subtract 2 10s. It's because it says minus 23. 10, 20. And I already did my 3. Let's see what we have left. I'm going to circle all that I have left. Okay. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh my goodness. Let's check it on our hundreds chart. I'm going to start. Oh, let me erase that. I'm going to start at 42 minus 23. Remember, when you're doing 10 less, you want to go up the hundreds chart. So 10, 20, 21. I'm sorry, wrong way. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 19. See, we had to go this way. We were subtracting less. Wow, 19. Got it there. Now let's check it with our math. Oh, well, first, my number sentence. Remember, 42 minus 23 equals 19. So now, let's do the algorithm. There's that same problem. I only had 2, but that's when I went next door to my neighbor here, took a 10 tower. Now they have 3 10 towers. I broke up that 1 10 tower I took into 10s, into ones. Now I have 12 ones. 12 minus 3 is 9. And if I'm not quite sure, I can look at my hundreds chart. There's 12, and I'm going to jump back 3. 1, 2, 3, 9. So 12 minus 3 is 9. 3 10s minus 2 10s leaves me with 1 10, 19. I got it. Yes. All right, let's try the next one. 50. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Minus 6 ones. Well, in the number 50, 50 is made out of 5 bundles of 10 and 0 extra ones. So what I'm going to have to do, I'm going to have to take a 10 stick, break it up into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I still have 50. It just looks different. So 50 is 4 bundles of 10 with extra 10 ones, okay? So I still have 50 here. Minus 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see what we have left. All right, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. All right, let's check it on our hundreds chart. Woo, I know you guys can do this. Remember, if the algorithm, the math problem is too hard, just do the model, okay? So 50 minus 6. Here's 50. I'm going to subtract 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 44. Woo, woo, got it. So we're going to write our number sentence. We're going to start with the larger number. 50 minus 6 equals 44. Now let's do the math problem, the algorithm. Got to draw my lines, 10s, my 1s. I have 0 ones right here. I'm going to go over to my neighbor. I'm going to take a 10 tower. Now they only have 4 10 sticks. I took that 10 tower and I broke it up into 10 ones. And 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 minus 0, because there's nothing here, is 4. 44. We did it. So we just learned how to subtract with regrouping, okay? You are going to be doing the same thing. And so I'm going to share with you what your work this evening is going to look like. And I know you're going to do awesome. So here is your homework. Subtracting with regrouping. 13 minus 5, 31 minus 14, 36 minus 7, 36 minus 8, 25 minus 17, 45 minus 9. Just do your best work, boys and girls, okay? You can do this, okay? So remember, do the model. Check your work. Use your hundreds chart, okay? Use your pictures. There's the math problem. If you need help, don't forget, reach out to your teachers, okay? Or come back and watch the video again. So, good luck, first graders. You can do it. Grow your math.